Hey there, welcome back to my channel, it's me, the Mind Injector. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to many hearts: how to become a millionaire on a low income. It might sound like a tall order, but with the right strategies and mindset, it's entirely possible. So, let's get started and unravel the secrets to financial success even if you're earning a modest income. Becoming a millionaire starts with the right mindset. It's about believing that you can achieve financial freedom regardless of your current earnings. Many self-made millionaires started from humble beginnings, and their stories often share common themes of perseverance, frugality, and smart investing. First, let's talk about goal setting. Having clear, attainable goals is crucial. Begin by determining how much you need to save and invest to reach that $1 million mark. Break it down into smaller, manageable milestones. For example, aim to save your first $10,000 within a year, then work towards $50,000 and so on. These smaller goals will keep you motivated and on track. Now, let's get practical. Budgeting is the cornerstone of financial success. Create a budget that tracks your income and expenses meticulously. Identify areas where you can cut costs. This might mean dining out less, finding more affordable housing, or even cutting back on non-essential subscriptions. A good rule of thumb is the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to necessities, 30% to discretionary expenses, and 20% to savings and investments. However, if your goal is to become a millionaire, try to save and invest more aggressively. Aim to save at least 30% to 40% of your income if possible. While budgeting and saving are essential, increasing your income streams is equally important. Relying solely on a low salary might not be enough, so look for additional ways to earn money. This could be through side hustles, freelance work, or even passive income streams like rental properties or dividend-paying stocks. Identify your skills and talents and think about how you can monetize them. Whether it's tutoring, graphic design, writing, or even selling handmade crafts online, there are numerous opportunities to supplement your income. Investing wisely is the key to growing your wealth. Start by educating yourself about different investment options such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. If you're new to investing, consider starting with low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, which offer diversification and lower risk. Consistency is vital. Make it a habit to invest a portion of your income regularly. Thanks to compound interest, even small, consistent investments can grow significantly over time. For instance, investing just $200 a month at an average annual return of 7% can grow to over $500,000 in 30 years. Living below your means doesn't mean depriving yourself, but rather making conscious choices about your spending. Focus on buying value rather than indulging in luxuries. Prioritize experiences over material possessions and find joy in simple, cost-effective activities. One common trait among millionaires is their frugality. They understand the importance of spending less than they earn and investing the difference. By adopting a frugal lifestyle, you can accelerate your journey to becoming a millionaire. Debt can be a significant obstacle on your path to wealth. High-interest debt, such as credit card debt, can quickly spiral out of control and eat into your savings and investments. Focus on paying off any existing debt as quickly as possible and avoid taking on new debt. If you must borrow, do so wisely. Consider loans with low interest rates and favorable terms, and use the borrowed money to invest in assets that appreciate over time, such as real estate or a business. Before we get into the exciting details, let me introduce you to Moomoo Financial. If you open a brokerage account with Moomoo and deposit at least $1 using the link in the description, you'll get a chance to draw a free stock worth up to $2,000. But that's not all. If you make a net deposit of $100 or more, you'll receive not just one, but 5 free stocks worth up to $2,000 each. And if you're really serious about investing, you can deposit $1,000 or more and get a whopping 15 free stocks, bringing your potential earnings to a staggering $30,000. So, sign up now using the link in the description and get those free stocks. Now, let's get back to the video. The journey to becoming a millionaire involves continuous learning. Stay informed about financial trends, investment strategies, and money management techniques. Read books, attend seminars, and follow financial experts to expand your knowledge. Networking is also crucial. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who can offer support, advice, and opportunities. Join investment clubs, attend industry events, and build relationships with mentors who can guide you on your financial journey. Finally, remember that becoming a millionaire on a low salary requires patience and persistence. It's not an overnight process, and there will be challenges along the way. Stay committed to your goals, keep refining your strategies, and don't be discouraged by setbacks. Celebrate your progress no matter how small, and keep your eye on the prize. With determination and smart financial choices, you can achieve financial freedom and become a millionaire even on a low salary. This is it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below.